Prepositions of place help us show where something or someone is located. Today we focus on two important ones, between and among. Between is for two things. Among is for many things. This simple rule makes English location words easy to understand. Prepositions of place show location or position of something compared to something else. Between means the position in the middle of two things. Among means surrounded by or included in many things or a group. Use between when you talk about two distinct people or things that you specifically name. Use among when you talk about a group of three or more where individuals are not separately identified. Between always involves exactly two things. I sat between Tom and Jerry. The park sits between the school and the library. Notice how both examples name exactly two clear locations or people. The cat hides between the boxes. She sat between her two friends. The key fell between the cushions. He could not decide between pizza and pasta. The park lies between the school and library. Among shows something surrounded by many things. She sat among her friends. The house hides among the trees. Notice how among describes being in the middle of a larger group. There is an impostor among us. She sat among the sheep in the field. Honor proves rare among thieves. He proved popular among classmates. The secret hid among the books. Remember the simple rule. Use between for two specifically named things. Use among for groups of three or more not individually named. Two clear items means between. Many in a group means among.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.